Hi again, everyone. You just learned that one way to tell how people feel is to look at their faces. We looked at Alex's face on this card, and we could see that he was feeling happy. His eyes, mouth, and cheeks are clues that help us know how he feels. Well, now let's take a look at this picture on this story card. This is Sarah. I want you to put on your attention scopes again and zoom in on Sarah's face. Now put your attention scope down, but keep looking at her face. Do you think Sarah feels the same way Alex does? Sarah is not feeling happy. Her face doesn't look like Alex's did. How do you think Sarah is feeling? If you think she's looking unhappy or sad, clap your hands 2 times. You're right. Sarah is feeling sad or unhappy. But what parts of her face are clues that she feels sad? Let's think about that. Let's look at her mouth, eyes, and her head for some clues. Look at Sarah's mouth. Is she smiling like Alex was smiling? No. What is it doing? It turns down at the corners. So instead of smiling, she is frowning. Now let's look at her eyes. They're looking down too. So they don't look bright like Alex's did. Now let's look at her head. Is her head up? No, her head is also kind of looking down. And looking at her face, she's not crying, but sometimes people do cry when they feel sad. And she looks like she might cry. But why do you think Sarah is feeling sad? Maybe she wanted to play outside, but it was raining. That could be one reason. Well, I'll tell you why she feels sad. Sarah feels sad because her friend is sick and didn't come to school today. Sarah told her teacher she was sad. Her teacher talked with her and played with her until she felt better. And she helped Sarah find some other friends to play with. Can you make a sad face? Show someone at home your sad face. Here's mine. Notice and look at your family members at home's sad face. Are their eyes, mouth, and heads kind of down in a frown? Or eyes looking sad? Yep, that's how you can tell when someone looks sad. It's okay to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes. When you feel sad at school, make sure to talk to me or your teacher or even your friends. Remember, it's okay to feel sad, but we just have to know how to handle our strong feelings of feeling sad. Click on the video on the computer screen afterwards and you will learn some strategies in the Bitmoji classroom of how to deal with feeling sad. And of course, we have another song verse to learn today. If you're sad and you know it. Again, this is a little different because we're singing about what we see and what we might do when we feel sad. So if you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo, boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo, boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, then your body surely shows it. If you're sad and you know it, cry boo-hoo, boo-hoo. All right, I'll see you next time.